Outstanding design defines the 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.